So here's the 4Runner with the lift wheels and tires that we got. I think she looks beautiful. Let me give you a side profile. All right, so to remind you, we went with a 2-inch front lift, 1-inch rear. The 2 inches in front, we went with Fox Performance Series coilovers. They're made to level your vehicle. It brought our front to 22 inches center hub to bottom of the fender. But I did not necessarily want a leveled vehicle. I wanted the rear to have a little bit of rake, so we lifted the rear with Eibach springs. They're 1-inch springs, so it's a 2-inch front, 1-inch rear. The rear, we went with Performance Series Fox shocks as well with the clickers, the 2.0s. And then for wheels, we got Method 701s with the bead lock. And we got BFG KO2 tires. They are in a 275 7017. And the reason we went with that is because we don't have to worry about any trimming whatsoever with a 2-inch lift. It does not rub at all. And it comes out to 32.2 inch tire as opposed to the more popular 285s, which are a 32.7. So it's only half an inch difference, which equates to about a 1/4 inch difference in clearance. So I think it's well worth not having the hassle of trimming with these tires. So what do you think? I think this is a perfect middle ground lift wheel tire package for your everyday driver who is going to be going out camping on the weekends with trails that are not too crazy. This is our baby mobile, like I said. Gonna be trucking that baby along, and I didn't want it too top heavy or anything. I wanted it to be perfectly safe on the road, but also have more capability off-road. And I think this is the best way to do that. See ya.